Let's take a look at this assignment together because I feel like it's going to be a little bit more of a struggle than some of the other assignments. Okay, the first question I got is, Pamela drove her car 99 kilometers and used 9 liters of fuel. She wants to know how many kilometers she can drive with 12 liters of fuel. She assumes the relationship between kilometers and fuel is proportional. How many kilometers can Pamela drive with 12 liters of fuel? So I've set up a ratio. Let me get my pen here. So we have 99 kilometers to 9 liters of fuel. So if she has 12 liters of fuel, then how many kilometers can she go? So we're going to cross multiply, so we'll have 9x equals 12 times 99, which is 1188. And divide by 9, and so 1188 divided by 9, and I get 132. Let's see if that works. So 132 kilometers. Check my answer, and it's good. Moving on. Quessy is putting on sunscreen. He uses 3 milliliters to cover 45 square centimeters of his skin. He wants to know how many milliliters of sunscreen he needs to cover 240 square centimeters of his skin. He assumes the relationship between milliliters of sunscreen and area is proportional. So very similar to the last one, we've just got 3 to 45 is going to equal X number of milliliters to cover 240 square centimeters. Cross multiply, find the answer. So we're at 45 times X and 3 times 240, and that gives us 720. We're going to divide by 45, x to the X, and we get 16. Chef Rita is cooking for a Sunday brunch. She knows that 22 pancakes can feed 8 people. She's wondering how many people she can feed with 55 pancakes. She assumes each person eats the same quantity of pancake. So 22 pancakes for 8 people means that 55 pancakes should feed how many people? So cross multiply. 8 times 55 is 440. Divide by 22. And X equals 20. Last one, Teresa is maintaining a campfire. She can keep the fire burning for 4 hours with 6 logs. She wants to know how many logs she needs to keep the fire burning for 18 hours. So the key to all of these is making sure that you line up the correct details. So since 4 represents hours and 6 is logs, and then 18 is hours, then she's trying to find the number of logs. I guess it's asking me to use Y. Not that it really matters, but anyway. So I think the hardest part of these is figuring out which number goes on the top and which one on the bottom. So you just have to pay really close attention to what the words say and make sure you line up the correct things. So like right now I have hours on the top and then I'll have logs on the bottom. So I'll just go 6 times 18 and then divide that by 4, and that should be 27 logs. Ta-da!